Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay ng YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na tao with evidence. Nicholas Kaufman, ang legal counsel ni PRRD. May good news po para sa ating lahat. Tanong ng bayan, uuwi na nga ba si Pangulo Duterte sa kanyang birthday? Ako. Basta ang sabi lang ni Bibi Sara na hindi makakabalik si Pangulong Duterte. Pero ano itong sinabi ng kanyang legal counsel na si Nicholas Kaufman? Na-corner kasi si Nicholas Kaufman ng mga Pilipino, ng mga media, at tinanong siya kung ano ang update ni Pangulong Duterte. At meron siyang pinasabog na sikretong mga kapipig. Nako. So ito kapag manood tayo kay Nicholas Kaufman ng kanyang mga impormasyon na ibinahagi habang tinatanong siya ng mga media at mga Pilipino.
Yes,
You were saying, sir?
good afternoon, Philippines. I hope to have some announcements today regarding the composition of the defense team. Obviously, everything that I do is subject to approval by Her Excellency, the Vice President. She has a very important role in this case. She herself is a lawyer. She fully understands the state of the game here in The Hague. And obviously, I'm consulting her on everything that I do.
So who will be forming the defense team?
Ready to just have to wait and find out.
Oh, it's
within the day.
Announce it.
Lots of suspense, but be patient.
Baby said that she will not announce ang little the head of the legal team, but not to preserve the privacy of the rest of the
That
team.
might be the case, but whatever I do is always subject to the approval of my client.
All right. But just to clarify, that it's within the day. We expect this within
I
the day.
expected by the end of the week that we'll have some names, yes.
All right.
But will there be Filipinos?
I'm always working with Filipinos, and I anticipate that there will be Filipinos in due course as well. I'm here to constitute primarily the international side of the team, former President Duterte.
So are we tapping the services also of the Office of the Legal Counsel?
No, there's no need for that.
No need. So it's
No, I mean, even if this was a legally aided case or a privately funded case, there's no need for the OPCD. I think that's the unit that you're referring to.
That's right.
They're a very important unit at this court, but they provide logistic assistance, administrative assistance, but they don't provide substantive assistance to any team at the court, whether it be legally aided or privately funded.
Okay, so that will be limited to 3 counsels only, and then a case manager and investigator.
That depends on what type of case and what type of funding we're using at the end of the day. Well, I can say that there are many, many supporters who I'm sure would gladly give out of their own pockets to ensure that the former president will return to the Philippines as soon as possible.
The vice president was saying a while ago that they will do all means to be able to bring the president back to the Philippines
Ito na.
after elections or prior to the elections.
Why not?
Um,
That's his country.
what would be
That's
the
where he was
legal-
born. Why should he not go back?
So
And as far as I'm concerned, he's been illegally detained here, and he should go back to the Philippines as soon as possible.
that will be a rule.
Ay, sabi niya, illegally detained. Hala, illegally detained si Pangulong Duterte. Sabi ni Bibi Sara, gagawin ang lahat para makauwi si Pangulong Duterte, maybe after or before election. Sabi niya, why not? 'Di ba? Posible 'yun, 'di ba? Hala.
route to be able to bring him back. He will be filing petitions or appeals to bring him back to the
I
Philippines.
think you're trying to
the
draw me on a chronology and when I'm intending on introducing an application for interim release.
May interim release. So, meaning mag-a-apply sila ng interim release para kay Pangulong Duterte. Yun pala.
Release is part of the course of this institution. In nearly every case, an application for interim release is submitted. I'll file it when I feel it appropriate.
When you said that supporters are willing also to help out of their pockets, did people reach out to you also about it?
I was making a general observation.
Okay. All right.
But nobody has committed yet.
You're trying to draw me once again.
In fairness, ang talino ng kinuha na ni Bibi Sara kasi hindi siya agad-agad magbibigay ng impormasyon. Hindi yung parang parang bungangero na lawyer na paepal na pinili ako, so kailangan ibigay ko lahat ng mga nalalaman ko. Hindi siya ganon. May reservation siya sa kung ano ang pwede lang kanyang ma-share, which is good.
No.
Uh-huh.
People
How was
love the former president, and I'm sure that they would pay out of their own pockets in order to ensure that he has the proper defense.
is this the first time you've encountered the president? Also, this particular case only.
In this particular case, this is the first time, but I'm experienced here at the ICC and I'm frequently asked to help people who are brought before this institution.
All right. How was he yesterday?
It's in good spirits. I've told you that right from the start.
Sir, we are OFW versus Filipino working. Can we do crowdfunding?
I'm not going to comment on funding.
Yeah, nothing.
All right.
Sir, you mentioned that as far as you're concerned, the former president is legally detained. So that's your
Illegally detained.
Hello? Legally, sabi ng isa, kasi former President Duterte is legally detained. Sabi ni Nicolas Coman, illegally detained. So illegally talaga. Yan ang ipinaglalaban niya. Yan ang nalaman. Yan ang alam ni Nicolas Kaufman.
illegally. Yeah.
Yes.
So you and the president were already able to tackle, more details about the case yesterday. I
Well, in
assume.
the first few days, I'm helping the former president with his humanitarian needs and concerns. I'm helping him settle in here because things at the International Criminal Court do take some time. Unfortunately, I wish it was speeded and it was, but it isn't. And so, at the present moment in time, I'm concentrating on that aspect, helping him settle it.
Oh, okay, but not the aspects of the case itself.
I'm not going
Yes.
to even go into the substantive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, without saying.
And certainly not
Okay, so yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Sir.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Our apologies. Yeah, but
Sorry.
Yeah.
not you. Yeah, but yesterday you mentioned that you will be discussing the nature of the case.
Yes.
with
When you
the
said
president. So
Absolutely.
you've already discussed it initially.
Touched on the general parameters of the case. As I
general.
told you, I'm not going to disclose the
Yes,
strategy
we understand.
or exactly what goes on between attorney and client.
But your client is also a lawyer and a prosecutor before. So in
Extremely good prosecutor as well.
Extremely good
Prosecutor.
prosecutor. See? Yan ang pag-describe niya kay Pangulo Duterte. Extremely good prosecutor. Boom! Galing
Cases.
How did he respond to the discussion of the nature of the case?
I'm not going to answer. They're trying to draw me on attorney-client privilege. Why should I tell you that?
Right.
That is our responsibility. Then I'm just.
Are you going to publish it? That's the question.
Yeah, you have a pretty long visit every time, like around 2 hours.
Why
So
not? That's my
How-
duty.
but
That's
yeah.
my
as a
obligation.
counsel, right?
I'm
Yeah.
How
a
long does
responsible
it
lawyer. I
take?
want to see my client as much as I can.
All right.
The vice president also mentioned a while ago that she will be meeting with the Cook
Another
Council.
one.
Once again, the Vice President makes her own comments. Everything that I do is subject to communication with and approval of my
Yun.
client and his daughter.
Yun, mga kapibig. So, parang nakikita ko na yung magandang liwanag na makakauwi si Tatay Digong. Iba, magaling ang kanyang legal counsel na si Nicolas Kaufman. Alam niya kung ano ang ipinaglalaban. At sabi niya, illegally detained. Very good, extremely good prosecutor si Pangulo Duterte. So marami siyang magagandang salita na sinabi kay Pangulo Duterte, yung magandang pag-asa na ibinibigay niya sa atin na makauwi si Pangulo Duterte before election, before mayor election. As in, grabe ha. So, yun lang kabibig ang ating Ladies Libak-Libak for the day kasi marami ang sinasabing kailan kaya uuwi si Pangulo Duterte, sana before ng kanyang birthday. Pero sabi naman ni Legal Counsel Nicolas Kaufman, as soon as possible. Kailangan na siyang makauwi sa Pilipinas because he is illegally detained. Yan ang explanation ni Nicolas Kaufman, mga kabibig. So, ano ang mga ilang komento ng ating mga netizen dito? Ito na Is he for real? Sana po makauwi na si Pangulong Duterte before ng kanyang birthday. Jewish si Attorney Kaufman and Jewish din ang nana nila Inday. Sure ako hindi sila pababayaan ni Attorney Kaufman, as in, sabi ng isang netizen. Ito pa, yung mga mga tao na naniniwala na uuwi si Tatay Digong, maniwala kayo kasi uuwi talaga si Tatay Digong. Well, kahit na naglabas ng statement si BP Sara na hindi makaka-uwi, baka ano yung baka iba ang ibig sabihin ni BP Sara doon. Pero naniniwala tayo na si Tatay Digong makaka-uwi sa Pilipinas at alam na natin mangyayari yung kabibig. Yun lang po mga kabibig ang ating latest libag-libag for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone! See you next time.